Hi guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to copy and paste a table from Chatgpt to Excel. So when Chatgpt makes a list, you can ask him to make a table from your list like this. You can use these exact words, but it's so important to ask him to give you data in tab delimited for table without extra spaces on them. I just add that, but you don't need to add this. So yes, when he do a table, I also asked him to remove the line numbers, and he did the final version of our table. So now you can just directly copy that like this and go into Excel table, uh, paste it, and now you have your table. It can be bigger, it can be smaller, however you like, however you want. It's just important to ask him directly like this. So I will do like this for you, and that's it. So thanks guys for watching. I hope it's been helpful, and see you in the next video. Bye.